right, thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. Just want to give you a little bit more information about making soap as well as the detergent. Okay, so number one, if you have never made soap before from scratch, check out a few videos before you tackle this project so that you know the correct safety precautions to take, because you will be working with lye. Number two, this soap is made with what's called a 0% superfat content, which means there are no oils left to get in the washing machine and or your clothes, which also means it's not good for the skin. So you don't want to put this on your skin. I know people think of, you know, nourishment when they think about coconut oil for the hair or skin or something like that, but actually it's really not good for the skin because there's no oils left once it saponifies with the lye. Okay, so don't put it on your skin. Just go ahead and save it for your next batch of laundry detergent. Okay, number three, if you don't want to use fragrance oil, you don't have to. I mean, you know, I just happen to like, you know, something that smells good. Who doesn't, right? So go ahead and omit it if you don't have it. You know, don't let it deter you from making the actual detergent. Okay, number four, this, how much are you going to use, right? That's what you want to know, right? So this scoop that I have, I think a lot of people probably have this scoop. This is about a tablespoon. I just measured it, and yeah, it's about a tablespoon. So if you have heavily soiled clothes, go ahead and use 2 tablespoons, but 1 tablespoon is perfectly fine. 1 small scoop is perfectly fine. So use that. The last thing is, if you make this soap, you're going to use the 76-degree coconut oil, not the 92. In other words, you want to make sure you use the coconut oil that's already solidified in a, you know, that's in a solid state, basically. You don't want to use the coconut oil that's in a liquid state, because that's not the coconut oil we need to use to make soap. At any rate, I hope you make this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you decide to like, share, subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you've seen. Please share this video with other people, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments section. My email address is on there as well, and I look forward to providing more videos, more DIY videos for you guys on different projects, and hope you have a great one. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.